This is the Xiaomi Mi 11, the upgrade to the very well received Xiaomi Mi 10 from last year. The Xiaomi Mi 11 was released on the 1st of January of 2021, and in this video I'll be telling you guys everything there is to know about this device. Is it better than the newly released Samsung S21? Let's find out. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. It's very nice having you here. So subscribe to the channel and join us. Let's shoot. So first, let's list out the specs of the Xiaomi Mi 11. So here are the specs: a 6.81-inch AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass protection, Android 11, Snapdragon 888, up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, a 108 megapixel main camera, and a 4600 mAh battery. The Xiaomi Mi 11 starts at $620, but this is not the actual price. This is a Chinese converted price to US dollars, but the actual price should be close to $620. So I guess the Xiaomi Mi 11 already has a win for being cheaper than the S21. So the Xiaomi Mi 11 is $180 more affordable. The Xiaomi Mi 11 is not a glass sandwich. Its back is made out of leather. So this one is more of preference. Do you prefer plastic on the S20 Ultra or leather on the Xiaomi Mi 11? The Xiaomi Mi 11 also has aluminum frame. It has Gorilla Glass protection, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is a very strong glass, even stronger than the already very strong Gorilla Glass 7. And still on the front, the Mi 11 has a 6.81-inch 2K OLED screen with 515 pixels per inch and 120Hz refresh rate. So the screen on the Xiaomi Mi 11 is better than the Samsung S21. Not that the S21 is bad, it's a very great screen. It's a Samsung screen, but the Xiaomi Mi 11 is better. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do subscribe to the channel. That would be really great. Just hit the subscribe button down there. The Xiaomi Mi 11 is running Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5. It's your feature-packed Xiaomi's user interface. And this one again is based on preference. Do you prefer Xiaomi's MIUI or Samsung's One UI? You know what? Let me know in the comment section below. MIUI or One UI? Go Team Xiaomi. The Xiaomi Mi 11 starts at 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, and goes up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. And just like the S21 Ultra, there is no expandable storage here. So if you are going to buy either of these devices and you have an SD card, give out your SD card. You can give them to me. Okay, so they are also both powered by the Snapdragon 888, the most powerful chipset. The Mi 11 has a triple camera setup, a 108 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. The main camera is capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second and 8K video at 30 frames per second. The selfie camera is also capable of shooting 1080p video at 60 frames per second. So if you want 4K resolution for your selfie videos, is the Samsung S21. Also, the Xiaomi Mi 11 does not have a telephoto camera, so there is no zooming capabilities for the Xiaomi Mi 11. Something to keep in mind. The Xiaomi Mi 11 has a 4600 mAh battery, which is 600 mAh more than the Samsung S21. Also, the Xiaomi Mi 11 is capable of 55 watts of fast charging, which should mean it should go from 0 to 100 in just 45 minutes, while the S21 is capable of 25 watts of fast charging. So for battery and charging, the Xiaomi Mi 11 wins. Anyway, that's it. Which phone do you feel is better? Which phone do you think won? The Xiaomi Mi 11 or the Samsung Galaxy S21? Let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make me happy. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Subscribe.